It's another 14th November 2020. And once we say 14th November, the word that strikes our mind is Children's Day. So it's another Children's Day. Unfortunately, we cannot face each other. We are on the wires. We are speaking to each other over the net. And maybe this is the only way we are surviving. Well, before I go forward and say anything more, I would like to wish our respected principal sir, all our staffs, students and every viewer a very good and a warm morning. Children, it's a Children's Day that goes to prove that it's your day. It's absolutely your day. Correct. Now, I believe you all know that what a deadly period we are going through. It's a very lean patch where we can't meet each other, but virtually we have to construct so many things. Because we are going through a very deadly, destructive pandemic. Now these new words, it's in vogue nowadays. Pandemic, precautions, this and that. We are learning new words also. This period is teaching us something, some new habits even. Well, how far deadly or destructive it may be, I am talking about this pandemic, it could not stop us, it could not deter us from celebrating, once again, the Children's Day for our beloved students. Even though it's virtual, doesn't matter. It hardly matters it's virtual or non-virtual, as long as we remember this day, we celebrate this day for you people, for the children, the buds, the future of our country. Okay. Now, this year, as it is virtual, it goes without saying that there would be less pomp, there would be less merrymaking, there would be less fun, there would be less enjoyment. Correct. I admit that. But the celebration won't stop. The celebrating Children's Day cannot come to a full stop. Because we are determined to come in front of you, meet, talk, and do something. Maybe construct, maybe organize a small little program. Okay, remembering Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India, very fondly known as Chacha. The children used to call him Chacha because he was fond of children and the children were very fond of him. Correct. So, we have arranged, in spite of all the obstacles and precautions and preventive measures, we have arranged a very short program because we cannot forget you people. Every day, every minute, rather you can say, we miss you. We miss the shining stars. We miss your smiles. We miss your funs and frolics. We miss you children. It's true. Anyway, before venturing more into the program, now it would be our principal sir who will garland Pandit Nehru's picture frame and then the program will follow. Thank you children. Now let me tell you, be happy, be safe. Try to follow all the measures that would keep you safe, that would keep you sound and keep a merry heart and mind. Okay? Try to follow all the precautions that have been talked about, that has been written about. The first and the last thing we all would request you all, that be safe. Hope to meet you, not offline. We are counting days, keeping our fingers crossed. But today is your day enjoy the day to your heart's content. Thank you, children.
Dear teaching and non-teaching staff and my loving students, today we are celebrating the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And also today we are celebrating the Children's Day because Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he loved the children. Because of that, we Indian fix the date, his birthday, to celebrate Children's Day. And we believe if we protect the children, we can protect our future. My dear loving children, my all students, I believe that you are all study well. I encourage you to take care of your health, take care of your study, take care of your talent. I wish you all very, very happy Children's Day. May the God bless all of you. Thank you very much.